Here are the top 3 landlord mistakes. If you own a rental property, at some point you're going to make a mistake that costs you money. Every landlord does, but some mistakes cost a few $100s and some cost thousands. We've managed hundreds of properties over the years and the same mistakes keep coming up. The frustrating part is they're all preventable, but most landlords don't realize they're making them until the bill shows up. Whether you've been doing this for years or you're just getting started with your first rental, these are the 3 that cost the most. Mistake number 1, rushing to fill a vacancy with the wrong tenant. This is the most expensive mistake a landlord can make, and it usually starts with good intentions. Your unit is vacant, you're losing money every day it sits empty, and you feel the pressure to get someone in fast. So, you cut corners on screening, you skip the background check, you don't verify income, you ignore a red flag on the rental history because the person seemed nice, and then 3 months later, you're dealing with late payments, property damage, or a full eviction that costs you $3,500 on average just in legal and turnover expenses, not counting the months of lost rent. 42% of landlords say tenant turnover is their single biggest challenge in 2026. An extra week of vacancy with the right tenant is always cheaper than a year with the wrong one. Point number 2, ignoring small maintenance issues until they become big ones. That slow drip under the kitchen sink, that's not a $150 plumber call. That's a $5,000 mold remediation job if you let it go for 6 months. The HVAC unit that's making a weird noise, that's not something you check on next quarter. That's a system replacement if the compressor burns out because nobody serviced it. Preventative maintenance averages about 1% of your property's value per year, and it prevents emergency repair costs that cost 10 times that amount. The landlords who spend a little consistently almost always spend less overall than the ones who wait until something breaks. And there's a legal angle as well. In most states, landlords are required to maintain habitable conditions, and failing to address known issues can expose you to liability and tenant lawsuits. Lastly, not knowing your state's landlord-tenant laws. This one doesn't feel like a money problem until it is. Every state has specific laws around security deposits, notice periods, eviction procedures, lease requirements, and tenant rights. If you handle a security deposit wrong, you could owe the tenant double or triple the amount back, plus their attorney fees. If you serve the wrong eviction notice or deliver the wrong way, your case gets thrown out and you start from scratch while collecting no rent. Compliance with tenant protection laws is one of the fastest growing challenges landlords face, and the rules keep changing. The law doesn't care that you didn't know, it cares that you didn't comply. If you want to make sure you're not making any of these mistakes, or if you're dealing with one of them right now and need help figuring out the next step, give us a call or shoot us an email. This is what we do every day, and we're happy to help you protect your investment and avoid the expensive lessons. I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.